Hi, my name is Hannah Liao, and this is my smart doorbell system. Unfortunately, these trees are obscuring the view of the front porch, so I have my Raspberry Pi set up here with a homemade camera mount secured with tape. Here's the camera, and it's pointing at the window here to detect if anyone comes near it. Here's my code. Since the Pi is facing an open window where all the sunlight is coming in, I lowered the pixel threshold for detection to 30. The Pi camera will continually take 2 images, 1 second apart, to compare, and then it's masking, resizing, graying, and blurring them out to reduce the processing required to compare them. If someone is detected, the Pi camera will record a 15-second video at 30 frames per second, convert it to MP4, and upload it to my personal Dropbox account. Also, the Pi will send me an email of the images, and it will send me a text message on my phone telling me what time the person was detected at the window. So let's see it in action. And that's it. Thanks for watching.